Alright, so we have an app that distinguishes between two messages. If someone texts join to us, we respond with, thank you for joining. If they text something else to us, we ask them to join. Okay? I want to do a little refactoring here and also complete something we never did. So first the refactoring. We've got blocks that are very similar in these two branches. We set the phone number to the number that, the sender's number, right? Because we always want to respond back to the sender, and we always send the message. We've got those blocks copied in both branches, so either these three are done or these three are done. But we could simplify this a little bit by taking out this these blocks. Let's move them all down here for now. And really, it's just this message block that needs to be different for the two branches. And we could kind of make it clear how our program works by changing that. So if I get rid of this guy, take him out, take him out. So really, depending on what the sender sent us, the message that we're going to send back gets changed, but we always want to set the response phone number back to number and send the message. So just by kind of refactoring these blocks, this code, I can make it a little clearer and also make it a few less blocks as well. So I can just go ahead and get rid of these guys. The other thing I want to do, so that kind of talks about refactoring code to make it simpler. The other thing I want to do is remember we put this status label here, and I think we should at least tell the user of the app, the administrator of this broadcast list, when say someone's joined or when someone's been invited to join. So this status label is called status label. So we can just add a couple blocks here and say set status label dot text to, in this case we'll just report that someone has joined. Okay, and then I'll just copy this block, Command C, Command V on Mac. Well, actually, I need to copy this guy too. Okay, so let's copy that whole thing. Get rid of that guy. And I'll just say we just invited someone to join here. Okay, so now, not only will we auto-respond, we'll, on our user interface, we'll kind of report what just happened. So if we go back here, this app's still running, and then let's just go ahead and type in join here. And if 556 text join to 554, notice our status label changed. We just invited someone to join. Okay.